People have this notion that meat is bad not only for our health but also for the well being of our planet. Why is that, you ask? Let me break it down for you.
Don't cows expend our water supply and take all our food?
They don't. The water provided to the livestock is 94% rainwater, which is used to grow the feed for the cows. Once eaten and digested, it leaves their bodies in the form of urine, vaporizes, and precipitates, continuing the cycle. On the other hand, crop irrigation for avocados, almonds, and walnuts uses almost 70% of water from freshwater reserves. When it comes to food, 86% of the feed for livestock is non-human edible, such as cellulose-rich grass and byproducts of the crops for human consumption.
Aren't cows taking up all the space?
One of the main arguments is to convert cow farms into agricultural sectors, but that is a false dichotomy because not all land is created equal. Areas where cows are raised is marginal, meaning it might be too rocky, steep, arid, and just non-arable. 90% of areas in the world only produce grass easily, and ruminants like cows put those lands to good use.
How about the cows' greenhouse emissions?
Essentially, cows do not contribute to the rising of carbon dioxide in the atmosphere. The methane produced from digesting grass is broken down into carbon dioxide and water for the next decade in the atmosphere until it travels back to Earth once more. Oops! Not all cows survive after a decade. Comparing the livestock industry's 4.5% with the fossil fuel industry's 80%, the latter is more responsible for the environmental decline we face. Here comes the real misconception with the global numbers. Some researchers twist the science and bend the statistical numbers to suit their preferred narrative. If we view the current contributors of methane pollution, food waste outweighs the meat industry by a lot. Considering the vegan choices, plant-based food makes up 82% of total food waste.
What is the real problem?
It's not the cow, it's the how. The real concern that people must focus on is the management of food waste and food regulation, and the greenhouse gas emission produced by global brands, not meat production. The division caused by different ideologies must be abolished and shift the spotlight on the main producers of the overall population. Veganism is not an effective compromise, rather an effective smokescreen.